Most of you listening right now think that your house is safe, that you have no leak, there's no water damage, but there's a technical factor that you're not realizing, is that groundwater, as well as pressure and shifting, is constant. If you own a home here in Canada, you guys know that through our seasonal freezing and thawing cycles, your foundation is still at risk. What Superior documents that outside exterior waterproofing isn't just fixing a small leak. It's ensuring that the hydrostatic pressure doesn't come in and attack your foundational walls. From looking at simplistic things as making sure your weeping tiles are okay to the sump pump is functioning. If you don't have something like that in your home, it's setting up your situation for a ticking time bomb. This isn't about fear, it's about physics. Water will find a way unless you have a technical barrier in place. So now let's talk about the moment you realize something's going wrong. Whether the kitchen sink is slowly draining, you have a backup in your toilet, the normal homeowner will run out to the hardware store and pick up harsh chemicals and then put down into that to try and fix the issue. Everyone needs to know they need to stop doing that, because over time, that's actually corroding your pipes, especially if it's clay or PVC. It might not be hair or grease that you might see in your pipes, but it could be exterior pressure coming from a collapsed pipe or tree roots in there. In situations like this, plumber coming in to plunge a toilet isn't just the fix you need. It's not about pouring a chemical down there, it's by adding a proper mechanical intervention. So now you've come to that crossroad where you know you need professional help, but with hundreds of vehicles running around here in the city, how do you know who to call? The solution is calling Superior Plumbing. What we do is we use certified CCTV cameras to come in and properly diagnose and inspect your pipes so you can get the true root cause of the problem. And the solution? We could do hydrojetting. It is a proven, tested method to get your pipes exactly where we need to be. What we do is we don't just poke a hole inside the clog. What we do is the hydrojet. It takes a 3000 PSI hose and we go in and we puncture through. Now with this high pressure water technology, it scours the interior of the pipe to make it seem almost brand new and near the original diameter. This isn't putting a band-aid on a bullet wound. This is doing surgery on your pipes to give it the best longevity. Imagine it, you're going in, you have some cholesterol and you want to make sure that's taken care of. You go in through the operation and your veins are clear. That's just what hydrojetting is. Okay, so now you know here at Superior Plumbing, we have the high-tech gear. But you're skeptical. You've been burned by contractors. You get a quote and the chance and the price are just too much. I get it. We're adults. We work hard for our money. We want to make sure we're getting the best value out of it. Here's our policy analysis at Superior Plumbing. We give you upfront pricing and we have certified licensed technicians available all the time. On a technicality speaking, plumbing is a regulated trade. Superior Plumbing employs licensed, insured, and fully bonded technicians. Why does this matter? Because in an industry of unlicensed handymen coming into your home, in the event that that unlicensed handyman touches something and does damage and it ends up causing bigger issues, your insurance may void your claim on whatever happens inside your home. Superior Plumbing operates on the policy that the price is determined by the job, not the hour. So in the event you have a complex diagnosis that takes longer time, you're not going to get penalized for it. We're here to help you and ensure that you get to the root cause of that issue. We're not even talking about looking at a simple little warranty here. We're talking about full coverage warranty. You aren't just buying a repair, you're buying the peace of mind knowing that we are going to take care of the problem for you. So now you know the technology and you know the company. But now it's 3 o'clock in the morning and you're standing in 3 feet worth of water at 3 a.m. What do? This is your final hurdle. What Superior Plumbing offers is 24/7 round-the-clock service. So that way we are able to get a technician out to you as soon as we can to help diagnose and then start the process of repair. And with Superior, we offer a policy that is a strict 24/7 service. We have fully stocked trucks, ready technicians at any point in time to come out and diagnose your issues and look after you, which means the logistical detail is already taken care of, which saves you more time and money and quicker resolution to what the problem is. If you have a plumbing issue or you simply want us to come in and inspect your fixtures, don't wait. Call Superior Plumbing today. We'll have a licensed technician out to you as soon as we possibly can. This isn't an offer of a coupon. This is a guarantee that you'll have a fully licensed technician at your door and coming with the right equipment to solve whatever that issue is. Don't hesitate. Please go to superiorplumbing.ca today and secure your booking.